Hi, my name is Adam Schacht. I go to school at WITC here. Today we're going to show you how to fill up the lower unit in your boat. Here we have a 1988 Pro 50 we've been rebuilding, so now it's ready to be filled up and fired off. There's 2 bolts, screws you need to look for. See right here, this is the top one for the oil level. And I'll explain more about that in a few seconds. And down here you can't really see. This is where the bottom screw goes. That's where we're going to fill from. These are the screws right here that come out. Make sure you keep them organized. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it in, we're going to screw it in to the bottom hole of the motor. Sometimes it's a little difficult with all the oil that's come out of it. Hard to find. You want to make sure you get all the threads in there so it doesn't leak all over. So, I got the threads in. Now, when we pump, I told you about that top, you need to watch. As soon as the oil starts coming out there, we plug that up, and then we plug the bottom in. So as you can see, the oil's coming through here, going up in through there, and is going to fill the entire lower unit up until we see oil spilling from right there. Oh, and there it comes. So now what we're going to do, we're going to put our screw right back in to the hole it came out of. It's a messy job, so make sure you have lots of shop towels. And once you get the thread started, make sure you want to get that nice, tight, and sealed. And then you're going to come down here and you're going to unscrew this one out, but there's going to be a vacuum because the top's filled up. Find that hole. Get your screw lined up so it's not leaking. And then thread it in. Alright, and that is how you change a lower unit in your standard outboard motor. Thanks for watching.